Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy J7. You can use this operation to fix issues like freezing, running slow, to remove a file or a virus, or to clear the memory space, or if you forget your security code, pattern code or PIN code. So first you must power off your phone from the power button and click power off again, and now press and hold the volume up button, the home key and the power key until you'll see Samsung logo on your screen. Let's do it. Now remove your fingers. Now with the volume down button, select Whip Data Factory Reset and press the power key to confirm. Again, select with volume down, yes, delete all user data, and press the power key to confirm. Now to reboot the system just press the power key and wait until your phone will restart. Now you can do the initial setup. And now the setup is complete and seems that everything is okay and you can use your phone. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope this is useful for you and have a nice day.